So today I'm going to show you how to make a ring toss game using a mesh sink strainer that broke off. So what to do when yours breaks, you save this metal part, the ring part, and it's really sturdy, it's metal, so you can use it to toss. And you can recycle your Gatorade bottles, wash them, and then remove this sticker film it has. These are pretty easy to remove. So they usually have the tape on the one side. And you just remove the tape. So. And then you have your bottle. So this you can trash, or you can figure out something else you can do with it. And here in the Gatorade bottle, we can pour some water. It's best to use a funnel. Use some food coloring. I will be using the color green because my party's theme is a video game party and it's black and green. I will have a video game truck. So I put 2 drops. I will have a video game truck, but I also want to have some indoor games. And at Amazon, you can buy a ring toss game for like $30. And that's the one with the sticks and the ropes, or you can get one with cones and plastic rings to toss. But I actually had a whole bunch of Gatorade bottles, and I remembered I had this strainer that was broken, so I just decided to do it myself and save some money at the same time. So you may use a funnel and so I put a little bit of water, then I put 2 drops, and I will fill it all the way to the top. Do it all the way to the top. Okay. And then you can just seal it with its own cap. And you have to dry it up, of course. So just dry it all up. And then you can use one of those thick Sharpies or any medium size, but I prefer the thick one. And you start coloring. Just fill in the top with the marker and do circles around the edges. And then make sure you start going up and down here, all around, and then do the bottom part as well. And then go over it again to fill in all the little spots you missed. Fill them in really nicely. Don't forget the edges on the top. And then make sure you cover this really good and go inside all the little crevices, and then go all around, and next thing you know, you'll have this. So a nice black cap. And put the nice green bottle. And here I have 5. And of course, I have to finish them with 1. So you put them a little bit apart from each other so that the ring can fit. Because if they're too tight to each other, it might not be able to go in exactly all through the bottle. So this is a good amount. And then you just basically toss it. Put them on the ground or on a table and have the kids stand a few feet apart and then toss it, and then they can get a prize. So that's how you do your own ring toss game. Do it yourself.